Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Mad Shorts. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy experiment that most of you could probably do right away. And it's relatively safe. But I'm not held responsible if you burn your house down. Okay, so step one, you want to take a tea bag. And it's important it's the right type of tea bag. That is like, it's all connected. It's like there's a whole, it's all one piece of material that's tied at the top. Okay, so what you want to do is you basically want to get rid of the string and cut it open so you can get access to just the bag bit. And you can dump the tea out, and you can use this again for just in a teapot or something if you wanted to, or in a sieve, but the main thing we're after is this paper tea bag bit. Okay, so just that. Once you have that, you want to open it up difficultly and make like a cylinder. Okay, so make a little cylinder and put it upright and balance it on a surface. Okay, then what you need to do is run behind set and grab a lighter that you forgot to put straight. Okay, and then what you want to do is once you've got this standing up straight, carefully, you want to light the top of it. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, you want to light the top of it. You ready? Go. So get the whole thing engulfed in flame, and watch what happens. Ta-da! So pretty. So to explain what happened there, by lighting the top on fire, hot air got trapped in the bottom of the tea bag and couldn't expand, so it built up a higher and higher pressure. So eventually, when the pressure got too much and the tea bag became light enough, it lifted up into the air. And then it kept lifting up into the air, just following the heat currents of the flame. So there you go. See you in the next episode. Stay mad.